I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. This just changed everything. And I'm going to show you how to use it.
When you're setting up your titles for your videos, it should always start with a great idea that moves into keywords that moves into a title. This new research tab tool is the bridge between your ideas and excellent titles for YouTube. There are 4 really important features you need to know about, so let's look at how to use them. I'm going to use my wife's channel as an example because there are hundreds of videos on there and it gives great context for YouTube to come up with ideas. So when you go into YouTube Studio, just scroll on the left side down to your analytics and then click on the new research tab. It'll start giving you automatically a tutorial on the research tab, even though I've already been here. Maybe work on that YouTube. You'll see the first section is called searches across YouTube. This is where you can look for keywords that people are searching for across all of YouTube, not just your channel. So let's say I wanted to look up videos on cryptocurrency. I'm gonna put crypto in here and see what comes up. And note, I've got all these ideas here: crypto, crypto news today, BitBoy crypto, and I can see the search volume on each of them. And there are 3 pages it's giving me of results. Let's see if I wanted to get more specific. Let's go with Dogecoin and see what comes up. Dogecoin has high results, but you can see the search volume on YouTube. People are searching for this. And then click the 3-dot context menu. It's going to give you options. You can go directly to Google Trends. You can save it to your list. Now you have a list of Google keywords. It can be really valuable because it allows you to see larger trends throughout all of YouTube. The second section you're going to see is your viewer searches. Let's look at this for my wife's channel. I can see right at the top, palak paneer recipe. Why are people searching for that? I don't know, but they are. There's a high search volume. But my wife's viewers are actually searching for that. Maybe I should take note of it. Breakfast recipes. Well, that's not super surprising, but it's got a high search volume. I want to remember that. So I'm going to click here on the 3 dots and I'm going to click save. And don't worry, I'll show you where that goes. Air fryer recipes. There's a good one. We love our air fryer. People are looking for recipes. It's so simple, but you know what? They're looking for it. It's not about what we think or what we want. It's about what our audience is searching for. So I'm going to click save on that one as well. Now notice this is in all countries. What if most of your audience isn't in all countries? What if most of your audience is in the US? That actually changes the results. Let me click apply. Morning routines is now at the top. I think she would probably love to make that video, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that into her ideas as well. But let's look at the third feature in here, the saved tab. Under saved, I can see all the things that I've saved. And now that I know I'm interested in these, now I wanna do a little more research. Let's click here and go to Google Trends. It's gonna pop up a new tab that shows me search results on that keyword. And then I'm gonna expand it out and see if there's like a cyclical thing happening. Wow, it peaked right here around April of 2020. Let's look and see if the next peak is in April 2021. May, similar time frame. So breakfast recipes seems to be getting very popular in the summer. Well, guys, we're in April right now. It actually could be key time to make breakfast recipe videos. But the most powerful feature of this that I want you guys to know about is actually back in the Your Viewer Searches tab. And if you click right there and change it from all searches to content gaps only, it changes everything. This is only going to show you search terms where people were looking for something, but they didn't find enough content. This is an open area of the market. So let's look at it. I'm going to change it to content gaps only and apply. And here I can see Costco wholesale. There's a medium search interest, but also not enough content for it. Ninja Professional Blender, 1100 watts, low search volume. So you can see there's a content gap, not that much volume. Maybe you're a newer channel and it's worth getting that niche market by doing that video. Up to you, but at least now you know what people are searching for that they can't find. And I can tell you, I went in here last night to look at this before I set this video up. It's changed. So be checking this because you're gonna learn a lot. And as it grows, I'm gonna put out more content on how to use it and how specifically I'm using it. So if you wanna get those tips and tricks on how to use the research tab in YouTube Studio, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. You can also use the content gaps feature in general searches across YouTube. Let's say I type in the word react. Let's see what I've got there from that. Sounds cats react to, sounds for puppies to react to. Hey, if you're in that niche, maybe there's a video for you to make, but maybe you just struggle in general with video planning. Well, I actually made a video all about how to script out your YouTube videos so people actually want to watch. So after you hit subscribe, go ahead and click here to watch that. And guys, if there's a video I could make that would help you along your YouTube journey, let me know down in the comments.